Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make a banana cake. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Firstly, we have to blend soaked nuts. I will use hazelnuts and walnuts. They will be used to make the bottom of our cake. We add coconut oil, and some shredded coconut or coconut flour. We mix everything together precisely. Now it's time for soaked dates. They also have to be blended. You have to be aware because there can be some pits inside them. We mix everything together until dates and nuts combine. We put the first layer in the form. We use for that only a part of the mass. Next layer will be made of bananas. Peeled fruits we have to cut long and then cut off the fragment so that it fits between one edge of the form and the other. We do the same until we cover the entire surface. Our layer is ready, so we will make third one now. We will use parts of the bananas that have left and soaked sunflower seeds. Add one more banana if the consistency is no good. Now we cover bananas with the mass. Next layer is just the bottom we made earlier. We don't press it too hard so that the previous layer doesn't start to flow out on the sides. Now we can make the top of our cake. We take an avocado and peeled we put in a blender. We will add carob or non-alkalized cocoa. If we want sweeter one, we use carob, and for a bitter one, cocoa. We also add some chili. We put it on the layer of nuts and spread. Our cake is almost done. Now we need to decorate it with chocolate. The link how to make such chocolate will of course be in the description below. To make such shavings we need a peeler. Our cake is ready. Now it just have to cool down and it will be ready to eat. Bon appetit!